Hey guys, I'm Jen,
And I'm Chris,
and we're with Monsters and More.
So today we've got a great little tutorial for you for the brand new Donald Duck from Home Depot.
He's 4 foot, and he is a cutie. I don't know if y'all seen him yet, but he is adorable.
All right, guys. So we're gonna get this started, and we'll put him together and show you. I don't think it's gonna be very much to it, and then let you see what he does, and then we'll go over what we think about him. So let's get started.
All right, those are the front.
All right.
Then you put his little feet on. Y'all, ain't them cute? Show them the feet. All right.
Then the body.
No, then those little leg parts over there for his for his little legs. And D goes on to the B. So I'll get E.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just snap him.
Mm-hmm. Kind of fits. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. All right. Now his little booty. That's F. Then this will go on the inside. So then you have your little, I guess what,
There we
T,
go.
like the little T-shaped one. This will go on the inside. And then it just snap locks in those little pop locks.
All right.
And then you'll get his little voice box, which is H. Okay. Then we'll put his little shirt on him. It unzips in the back. Yeah, it doesn't say. It just says thread the sensor cable from the costume into the hole available in the fabric. There's a hole right there. I've seen it. Got me?
Mm-hmm.
So your sensor wire will go through the hole inside the fur. Pull this up over his little arms, the rest of his little fur. He is so cute.
That's like that's not.
And then you'll slide this up through his jacket. And they have the little lock pins on the edges.
Oh, that one does. This one doesn't.
No, no, this one does.
And I'm guessing his head's next.
Yeah, and then it says you connect the.
I'll snap that in.
Yeah. Other way. I don't know if can you put that down there any further? Or up his neck?
Got a little peanut back there in the back. Ain't he cute?
I know, he's adorable. I loved him. When I seen him, I was like, it reminds me of the old Christmas. Here, you can get him on this side and I'll plug him in.
I guess it don't just automatically turn on. The other one's a step pad, so it's either working off the sensor or step pad. It don't just come on.
I like him. Does this arm not move?
No, just the other one.
Oh my god, y'all. He is the cutest ever.
So with that, so when you first turn him on, he's either goes to sensor or he is
Step pad.
Yeah, works off step pad. So he doesn't automatically come when you turn it on to the sensor. He doesn't automatically come on unless you're in front of it and he senses you. It's not like some of them where you turn them on and they start going off. So I thought something was wrong with it at first, but once we wiped our hand across the sensor, it started working. So, but it's only got 2 settings. It don't just have an on. So, well, what do you think about him?
I love him. I love him anyway.
As soon as she seen him, she was like, "Oh, that reminds me of back when what Donald Duck and the Mickey Mouse
the Mickey
cartoons
Mouse
and
Christmas.
stuff, and, yeah, the old cartoons and stuff." So,
I
but
loved
we do
it.
like him. He's pretty cool.
Yeah, and it says his hand and his right arm only move because I noticed this one wasn't moving, and I asked Chris, I was like, "Is that one I'm supposed to be moving?" He was like, "No." So it does say on the box that his head and his right arm move, motion activated, and he sings 2 festive songs. So I don't care. I like him. I wanted him. This was a personal want.
Well, and we plan on probably putting him outside beside the big Christmas tree in the garage, right? And we're going to put him out there with it.
Yeah, we're doing an old school Christmas in the garage with all the old school bulbs and everything going on, and I thought he'd be a perfect fit.
Well, all right, guys, thanks for joining us. We we enjoy bringing these good videos to y'all, the Christmas stuff, and we enjoy Christmas ourselves.
Yes.
So with that being said, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content, and y'all have a very Merry Christmas.
Yes. And happy holidays. Yes, and Happy New Year. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.